Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Nesco Deluxe Food VS-12 Vacuum Sealer, 130 watts, kit bags and viewing lid, compact, silver. Optimal performance, 130 watt, 25. 1 NHG double vacuum pump for optimal performance. Ensures maximum air extraction when sealing larger food items. Variable settings, includes 3 settings, dry, moist and double. Plus, you can choose between normal vacuum pressure, or gentle, to keep soft foods safe. Easy lock handle. The easy lock handle makes one-handed operation smooth and easy. Double heat seal. Optional double heat seal provides added strength and security when sealing liquid-based or moist foods. Built-in storage and bag cutter, conveniently stores any brand of vacuum sealer bags in unit, while the bag cutter helps to create custom bag sizes for your needs. Vacuum sealer bags included. 2 bag rolls are included to get you started, one 8.6 inch by 9.85 foot roll and one 11.8 inch x 9.85 roll. Optimal performance, 130 watt, 25. 1 NHG double vacuum pump for optimal performance. Thanks for watching and subscribe.